A room with a view of the whole city. Fashion luxury, that's what he's got pretty.
I just experienced it recently, specifically in Dubai. An address hotel was transformed into a JW Marriott hotel. And what these hotels do not consider, and what they probably do not care about, is that you cannot simply transform a Hotel A into a Hotel B if you are not willing to renovate beforehand. Because simply taking over the product would be comparable to having traveled with Singapore Airlines before and now flying with Ryanair. You can't just leave it like that. You have to go in and improve certain things when you are a new chain. And I am here not in a Kempinski hotel, but in an Anantara hotel in Vienna. Specifically at the Anantara Palais Hansen. It was previously a Kempinski hotel and is now an Anantara hotel. And what immediately stands out here is that the old carpets have been left in place. And so I come to a real point of criticism, which is not unimportant. The musty odor smell, particularly from the carpets, is unfortunately still present in the hallway area. The carpets should have been removed, and a lot of old equipment should have been taken out as well. Because if I go and leave these old, well-used products here in the house, then the mustiness will remain in the house. However, I still cannot understand that there are people who write in reviews on Google or TripAdvisor that you can tell the Kempinski is gone. No, I don't think you can tell that. Because in the end, it is about the fact that the quality of the hotel is still great. We are talking about a truly fantastic and very well-functioning hotel. This is a really good 5-star hotel. The hardware is incredibly well maintained, the furniture is still fantastic, and the bed is amazing, a truly king-size bed. The overall decor does indeed have this beautiful 5-star quality. Windows, double doors. Kempinski has built a great hotel here. Anantara has really found a very good hotel here. The entire interior design is still in top shape. But what is really a problem are the classic wear and tear items. Curtains, carpets, lamps, certain areas like towels. Yes, all of that should have been completely replaced to bring in something nice, fresh, and clean. And then, in today's time, the house with this quality would be a fantastic 5-star superior hotel. And I felt very comfortable here. I spent one night here in a larger room that was also upgraded, and I must say, I didn't even need a suite. They also have a suite, but I was assured that the double upgrade I received here would certainly please me. And when I entered the room, accompanied to the room at night, I was really impressed and thought, okay, we don't need to discuss this. Here in this room, I feel comfortable. Here, I want to stay. A dressing room, a great bathroom, and a nice large room with a secretary here in the front. I immediately felt this sense of well-being, and it was a joy. And when I look out of this window now, the atrium has a fantastic story, but everything is extremely maintenance intensive. And this is what I can only recommend to the hotel management here. Because if the quality that exists is not preserved, not addressed, and not maintained, then in the next 4 to 5 years, it will no longer be a 5-star hotel. Or to invest in fantastic good housekeeping that really cleans well and doesn't just wipe over things a little. I can say here that the housekeeping, at least for one night, does a good job. I did not find any difficult, large, dirty problems. Even the drain strainer in the shower was clean, no hair. And these things naturally bring me special joy. As a hotel inspector, I always take a closer look at things. But I can understand certain criticisms that, for example, other guests had here, perhaps only from this perspective, by saying, okay, one expected Singapore Airlines and got Ryanair. I would say that if the hardware in the carpet area had been updated a bit, the reviews would certainly have been different, and one would have felt that it was worth it. I was here, felt comfortable, and found very interested staff. One example should be mentioned. I didn't want to have breakfast in the morning, but rather just wanted a croissant and then make myself an espresso here in the room. And the young employee, we are unfortunately a bit late, but I will try to organize that for you within the next half hour. And it really only took 10 minutes, and then the croissants were available for me here as well. And I think it's great that here, the hotel management does not forget to promote the employees, to look for good people, so that these individuals are truly developed and provided with good training, so they feel that they are really needed here and are prepared for guests like us. Because those who come here naturally want to experience a certain level of expertise from the staff who are knowledgeable in the area of 5-star service. So what is there to say about this hotel? In a nutshell, basically, I enjoyed my stay. The price-performance ratio is still acceptable, the carpets, etc. Curtains and many other items like towels and small things should have been changed, should have been renewed. I really like the overall hardware of the hotel. There is a great atmosphere everywhere with nice little moments where you can go, along with the gym and all the things that are necessary. There is also a spa that seems to be run by a dedicated team. And I would say, a hotel that I would love to return to. By the way, I am also now part of the GHA Discovery program. And I am a titanium member there, which is the highest status, and I even received 2 upgrades here, so I was able to feel very comfortable in this room compared to what I had booked and what I actually received. And what might also be worth mentioning is that I asked downstairs, you can also redeem your discovered dollars here when you check out, so you can further reduce the price difference between the actual price and the dollar price that you can use. These are the bonus points we receive when we stay in such a hotel. The Anantara Palais Hansen in Vienna brought me joy. I would gladly return and hope that the hotel management takes these important matters to heart regarding maintenance and, of course, service. And now I would like to invite you to a hotel room tour. Enjoy